Alright, here's your small block Ford. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our ass cast cylinder heads on it. Get you a dirt shy manifold, quick fuel carburetor, MSD Pro Billet. Got the March system on it. Make sure the alternator functions. Custom grind hydraulic roller. Rear sump well pan. Wanted to make a run. Since she does, stay tuned. Okie doke, 3,400, 422 foot-pounds of torque, peak torque 433, peak horsepower 446. So right at 440, it's got a front end on it, so it runs really good. That's the new cylinder head combination on it. What we'll do now is pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean. Kind of show you a couple things here. When you receive your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card's USB card full of technical information. On the engine will be this tag. It'll have your engine number, some other specs. That engine number is the easiest way for us to look things up for you. QR code, that'll take some more tech stuff. Have a great day.